Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Habiba earns 38,500 dirhams every month. She will earn a total of dash dirhams in 5 years. So in 5 years, number of months is equal to 12 multiplied by 5 because in each year we have 12 months. So 60 months are there in 5 years. Therefore, Habiba earns earns 60 multiplied by 38,500 dirhams in 5 years. So that will be equal to, let's see, we'll first write the 3 zeros and now we'll multiply 6 with 385. So that will be 6 5s are 30, 6 8s are 48 plus 3 is 51, 6 3s are 18 plus 5, 23. So she earns 23 lakh and 10,000 dirhams each in 5 years. In 5 years. This is the answer.